Today we're making a chocolate pudding with just 3 ingredients in 2 minutes. Diabetic-friendly, low carb, high protein, and suitable for your diet. And we're sure you'll love the taste. Since we promised 2 minutes, let's start the timer. We have 280 grams of strained kefir in a deep bowl. Add 12 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, then 15 grams of sweetener. We used a powdered blend of Stevia, Erythritol, and Inulin. The sweetener should be very finely powdered, so grind it first if necessary. If you prefer another sweetener, this recipe has the sweetness equivalent of 30 grams of granulated sugar. Now let's mix. Start the mixer on the lowest speed so the dry ingredients don't scatter, then continue at medium-high speed. After mixing for 1 minute, our pudding is ready. Divide it between 2 bowls. That's 2 portions of about 150 grams each. We haven't used any ingredients intended to raise blood sugar, nor any hard-to-identify additives used to extend shelf life. Now let's look at the glycemic and nutritional values. As you can see on screen, the values are shown separately for 100 grams and for one 154-gram portion. One portion contains only 1.6 grams of net carbohydrates, meaning the carbohydrates available to enter your bloodstream. The glycemic index and glycemic load are also very low, and the 15 grams of protein in one bowl provides 28% of its 210 kilocalories, making this a high-protein pudding. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot to us. Until the next recipe, take care and stay healthy.